The Firmware Update menu allows you to check for new versions and install them directly on the device. To search for and install the latest available update, go to Menu. Connectivity. Firmware Update. The system will automatically check whether a newer firmware version is available. If it is, press the center button to confirm the installation. Wait until the download and installation process has fully completed. Do not disconnect the heater from the power supply or interrupt the network connection during the update, as this may cause system errors. To view the currently installed version, go to Menu. Information. Version. In this section, you can check the product's firmware version and hardware version.